New images of what we will have in One UI 7, Samsung's next update, have just been leaked. Notice how a new icon now appears in the camera. This information has been published by the user ChunByonX, who seems to already have access to One UI 7. The camera icon looks very different and has also shared some photos of what the super minimalist camera interface would look like. Notice that Samsung has simplified the interface by removing most of the buttons from the top, leaving only the flash button and the photo resolution button. At the bottom, several zoom presets, focal lengths, and also a button on the right where the rest of the options would be placed can be seen, such as access to settings, the flash button, timer, image ratio, and again the resolution. In addition to animated photography, exposure compensation, filters, one face that might be the beauty effect. So for some reason Samsung wants to hide several buttons, maybe to have a cleaner interface, although personally I like having the timer a bit more accessible, so I'm not sure if it will be that functional. Although remember that we are only talking about a few initial screenshots, it doesn't mean that this will be the final update. They are surely in a beta stage, and we will have to wait for the final release. And another photograph that this user shared with us is where Samsung shows the configuration of its home screen. Now Samsung will offer the option to have slightly larger icons, removing all the text. In fact, the text will also be removed from the widgets, so you as a user can choose whether you want the classic setting or the bold setting. Obviously, with the bold adjustment, it would look like what we see on the iPhone, which is why it's said that Samsung is taking a lot of inspiration from Apple. However, at least in the camera, it seems that several options will be retained with just a rearrangement. It is said that this update will be available to many users very soon, first in a beta stage and then in a stable stage. And remember that a large number of Samsung devices will update to this version, as at least the entire recent generation has a promise of 4 years of updates, even for mid-range and lower mid-range devices. So it is highly likely that a large number of devices will be able to update to this new version One UI 7.0 from Samsung. That's all for this short video for now. I hope you liked it. If you did, you know you can let me know, and I'll see you next time.